Welcome back to Just So Bored Again. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this Ryobi cordless chemical sprayer. Got it on sale at Home Depot, figured I'd try it out. So this is essentially what came out of the box. You have a battery, you already have your unit there, the wand they have to attach, and the sling that attaches. You also have some O-rings that came here, and you will use them, the replacement O-rings for the wand, they go on the wand. So let me go ahead and put some of this together for you here. So here's a battery down here. You have your slot right here. Snaps in. You have this latch here and you have one on the other side. It's what keeps this attached. And as you can see right there, there's a hose that goes down. Make sure that's on correctly and just relatch everything. Be good to go. To refill this, it actually gets filled through here. You unscrew this and there's your port to refill. Now this is kind of cool. This comes with a little cap. It's a measuring cup. So I guess if you have one of those concentrates, you can mix it, add your water or whatever you have to do, but you can measure it through here if you want. But just go ahead and put that on, screw that back on, good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wand on and the strap, and we'll go outside and test it. All right, so I have the unit ready to go. You could actually use it one-handed, as you can see here. I have the wand attached to it. And one thing that's probably really important to point out, this right here is on-off button. Let's see if you can hear it. And here's the trigger. And I'll show you real quick. Now you can adjust the nozzle and then it will adjust the type of spray. But let's go spray some here and see if I can find some weeds, because I got plenty. Now that gives you a pretty decent spray. And let me zoom out a little bit here. All right, so I opened up the nozzle a little more, and then you're gonna get more of a stream. So hopefully you can see it. Let's see, versus when the nozzle's a little more closed off, you get more of a burst or a wider spray. So let me get a few more. And this does weigh a little bit when you're using one hand, just so you know. But this has a lot of power. So far so good. I got a lot of weeds to kill here. Now all I did is fill it up with Roundup that I bought at Home Depot. I ended up buying just the refills instead of the ones that have the little hoses and everything, because you obviously pay a lot extra for that. So just buy the refills and they'll work pretty good. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish spraying and I'll give you some closing comments after this. All right, so quick side notes and we'll end this here. And hopefully you don't hear the dog panting in the background. But overall, the unit worked great. The battery will last you about 30 gallons. I went through 1.5 gallons pretty dang quick, but it beats having to keep pumping or use the little attachments that come on the sprayers from Home Depot or Lowe's. So I love it. I wish I would have got it a long time ago. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I wish it came with a backpack or something, but I know you can buy that. And another side note, just be careful when you initially use it. I forgot to tighten one of the hoses. I didn't check it. I checked this rear one. I didn't check this front one. And when the unit pressurized, it started spewing everywhere. So just make sure you have everything nice and tight. Check everything, including your nozzles and back here. But overall, great unit, well worth the money. Like I said, I got it on sale. I think I paid about $80, $85 plus tax. And I think it runs around 110 on Home Depot. But yeah, go ahead and get it. I recommend it and make quick work of everything. I probably killed, like I said, 10-15 minutes on the job that typically would take me maybe an hour to do the whole house. So catch you guys later. We're just so bored again and make another video. Later.